It's your girl, Missnaturalshay, and today I have for you a Ollie's haul, y'all. I wanted to see, of course, what was in their body care section and what was in their laundry care section, because that's really the only reason why I go to Ollie's. Please give me a big thumbs up if you like these types of videos. Make sure that you are subscribed and you have your notification bell on so that you don't miss a video from your girl. All right, y'all, so the first bag that we have is a snack bag. So I bought some things that I've never had before, and the first one, y'all, I had to open it while I was on my way home, and sis, I got the late July jalapeno lime chips, and when I tell y'all this thing is hitting, OMG. Now listen, I'm not really a spice girl, but I do enjoy jalapenos because they're really mild to me. So you can see the seasoning on here. Hopefully y'all can see it. I'll tell y'all, you need this in your life. Just for a little kick, like, it's barely anything. And it's so good. And I know I'm late to the party for late July tortilla chips, but they were only 99¢. And of course, anytime that you go into Ollie's and you purchase food items, make sure you check the date. So these are actually good until May the 7th, 2022. The next one I got is the Brownie Brittle, and it's the pumpkin spice. Now, usually I do get the Brownie Brittle, but it's the regular old Brownie Brittle. And I wanted to try out the pumpkin spice, so can't wait to try these. They were $2.19, and of course, make sure you check the expiration date. And the expiration date is for September 7th, 2022. So I'm good with it. The next item that I have is a Kit Kat, and it is the key lime pie Kit Kat, and of course it's limited edition, and the expiration date is April 2022, so I'm still good. And it was 69¢. And I did have a mocha and chocolate, I think it was mocha and dark chocolate, but I already ate that one and it was really good, y'all. It had like a coffee kind of taste. So I can't wait to try this and see what it tastes like. And last but not least, I had to get these. This is from, of course, Christmas, but the expiration date on here is November 2022, so I'm still good. And these were $2.29, and they are the Gingerbread Cookie. And I'm gonna go ahead and open these up and try it for y'all on camera. It's just the little bite-sized Kit Kat. And I forgot to tell y'all that I had 15% off, because when you are Ollie's member, they I'm not sure how often they give it to you, but they give you a 15% off coupon every probably couple months or so. And I got me one. It was like a Valentine reward for 15% off. But anyway, y'all, this is what it looked like. You can smell the gingerbread cookie kind of taste. I mean, smell. If you like gingerbread cookie, you would like this. All right, y'all. So that's the end of my snacks. Now, next we're about to get into laundry care. Gain products. The first thing is the Gain, and this is the regular original Gain fabric softener. And I wanted to get a new fabric softener for Gain, but it was like $9. So I was like, no way, Jose. Let me go ahead and get what I know. And it's a 2.95 liter, which is 100 fluid ounces. And it's for 61 loads. And it was only $3.49 plus my 15% off. So I got that. And if y'all don't know, Gain is a good one. I love me some Gain. I love me some Tide. Gain. It just smells so good, sis. So y'all let me know down in the comments which fabric softener that you use. And I use Suavitel, Gain, Snuggle, Downy. So yeah, we got to make sure our clothes are smelling fresh all the time. It smells so good. Okay. And then the next item that I got, I am so excited for this. I started not to get it because it was like $8.99. But of course I got the 15% off. So it wasn't quite $8.99. It was lower than that. But I could not pass this up, y'all. I could not pass this up. This is Gain Febreze Freshness, and the scent is in Thai Dragon Fruit. Like, sis, have y'all seen Thai Dragon Fruit in laundry detergent? So I had to smell it. Oh my goodness. It smells so good, y'all. So I had to grab her up. So yes, ma'am, I can't wait to wash clothes and smell, ooh, these great scents. All right, y'all, so that's all for my laundry care. Before we get into body care, that's the main items that I got. I got a home care item, which is just some wax melts. And it's from the Unstoppables Febreze, and it's in the vanilla scent. So I got these, and they were $2.99 plus, of course, my 15% off. So it really wasn't $2.99. So yeah, guys. So now let's jump into my body care / hygiene products. And they were having a lot of Johnson's products on sale. So I had to grab them up because I haven't used Johnson & Johnson, which they don't even call it Johnson & Johnson. They just call it Johnson's now. But I got some of their products. And the first thing is actually a like a duo, and it's the body wash and the lotion. And I was like, yes, let me grab this up. So I got the Johnson's Skin Nourish Shea and Cocoa Butter Wash. So I got this, and it was $3.99, but of course 15% off. And then I got the lotion. I can't wait to use this. I haven't smelled it. It's $2.99 for the lotion. I can't wait to smell it. So instead of me smelling it in the store, I was like, let me smell it with my girls. Oh, here you go. Let's see what it smells like. Okay, it's a nice smell. It's light. You can tell that it's Johnson's. It's like, to me, and if I had a baby boo, I would be definitely using this on the baby. But it's not just for babies, it's also for adults. So this smells really good, and I can't wait to use it. I was thinking this could be like my nighttime body wash and lotion, because this is something that's like really light. It's a twist one. Okay, that's what it looked like. And guess what, my hands are always needing some nourishment because they always dry from all this. Ooh, okay. I haven't used Johnson in a long time. I remember ooh, it smells good, y'all. It smells so good, and it smells like a little boo-boo. But anyway, I'm gonna be smelling like a little boo-boo, okay? It smells nice. It's a nice light scent, and I could use like I'm thinking right now like ivory cashmere, spray that down. I could use my Twilight Mist from Bodycology. Oh yes, that would smell good. Like, boo-boo, we gonna use this thing for my nighttime bath, okay? And yes, can't wait. I might be sleeping like a baby, okay? The item that I got, y'all, is it's another lotion, but this one is in the vanilla oat scent, vanilla oat, and it was $2.99 as well. So I have both of these. One is Shea and Cocoa Butter, and this one is the vanilla oat. So they did not have the body wash in the vanilla oat, and I wish they did because I probably would really like it. But we're gonna smell this thing, and I'm gonna go ahead and pour out some, which is right here. Smells really nice. So both of these, y'all, I'm glad I did get them. And then, y'all, I got one more lotion from Johnson. This one was $3.49, and it says Cotton Touch Face and Body Lotion. Moisturizes for 24 hours with a gentle, fresh fragrance. So this is supposed to be for the whole family. Boo-boo, all of it's gonna be for the whole family because, well, for me. But it says it's gentle for the whole family, and I'm sure it smells really good, and it's just a pop top. Yes, it smells really good. Nice and fresh. Oh, yes. So I'm going to enjoy that too. All right, y'all. So the next ones that I have are some body sprays. And I end up getting 5 body sprays. One is the same fragrance. And I'm going to start with that one. So I got all 5 of these. And I'm going to start with this one because, boo-boo, when I tell you, listen, I had gotten a car and I was like, let me try this Love Struck. It's called Love Struck. It's the Sexiest Fantasies, and it's called Love Struck. It was $1.99. And I'm like, let me go ahead and try this. It says it's a sensual body mist. So when I seen it in the Ollie's, I was like, okay, this one, a lot of people are buying this because I didn't see many available. So I was like, you know what? I'm going to go ahead with my instinct, go ahead and get 2. And baby, when I tell you, this thing smell like my girl loves spell. This thing, OMG, I had it on my hand earlier and I was just smelling it while I'm driving on the road. It smells just like Love Spell, okay? So if you're, and this is the original Love Spell, not the Untamed, not the Crystal, not any other one that they have out there, Unwrapped, none of those. It smells like the original Love Spell, and it smells so good. For $1.99, it's the 8 fluid ounce. You can't beat this with a stick, even if you got to keep reapplying throughout the day. $1.99 for some daggone body spray, and it's a full-size bottle, and it smells like Love Spell from Victoria's Secret. Had to get 2. Had to get 2. And I didn't even smell it until I got into the car. So I had already purchased these 2 items. And when I tell you, sis, if you have not tried this, hopefully you have an Ollie's you can go to. And boo-boo, when I tell you Love Spell, if you a Love Spell girl, you will love this scent, okay? All right, the next one that I have is from Body Fantasies. And this is the Sparkling Rose. And I do think Sexiest... Yes, the Sexiest Fantasies is also about Body Fantasies as well. All right, y'all. So this one is called Sparkling Rose, and I really do hope this smells good. Like, Love Struck, can you move to the left, boo? Because I need a Sparkling Rose to come through, okay? Let's see what Sparkling Rose smell like. This is nice. Okay, now listen, I just last year started getting into like rose scents and all that great stuff, like the flowery, more floral scents, because I ain't ever been like a floral scent person, but this smells nice. I can see me now. Shoot, I can even put it with my Perfect Peony, because I like, you know, mixing up stuff. So this smells really good, guys, and if you like rose scents, you should try this. And then the last one I got is Enchanted Wildflower. And I was thinking about the Honey Wildflower from Bath & Body Works, but of course, I don't know if this is going to smell like this or not. I do have the travel size Honey Wildflower, but I don't forget what it smells like. So I need Sparkling Rose, move on out the way, boo. Exit stage left, because Enchanted Wildflower is coming through, and I hope this smells good. This is nice. It's like, I'm not mad at it at all. Now, of course, Love Struck is my number 1. I would say Sparkling Rose is my number 2. And Enchanted Wildflower is my number 3 for the Body Fantasy scents. I have not had Body Fantasies in a while, because I do not believe that my Twilight Mist is a Body Fantasy. I believe it is from Bodycology. But if it is from Body Fantasy, then hey, I got it. All right, y'all. Then, y'all, here I go with another floral scent. But it only had one of these. So I'm thinking, if there's only one, it gotta be good. And I hope it is, because I got it. It's from Love and Nature. I never heard of Love and Nature. Have you guys heard of Love and Nature? It's a jasmine and peony. And it's a body mist with essential oils. And I like the top. Like, the top is like a wood top, but I don't think it's real wood. But anyway, it's cute. So it was $1.99. And it's 100% vegan, cruelty-free. So, yeah, guys. It's jasmine and peony. So, exit stage left, Enchanted Wildflowers. let's see what Jasmine and Peony is talking about. And I do like both of these scents, okay? Gotta hit 4, okay? 4 sprays. Hold up, okay. I'm getting the florals. And to me, it seemed like there's a woody scent up in here. I'm gonna do it a few more times. It smells nice. And I really do smell some woody scent up in here. But yeah, it smells nice. And this Body Fantasies, all of these companies is by well, all of these scents. This one is PDC products, and the Body Fantasy and the Sexiest Fantasies are by PDC. So, but they're all cousins or sisters, okay? So yes, I like this scent. I'm not mad at none of them. And for $1.99, I'm sure I can pair this with something nice, okay? So yeah, guys, that is all that your girl got from Ollie's. I was so excited to get back up in there because I have not been since before Christmas. And yeah, guys, if y'all like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure that you are subscribed. Make sure you share, like, and make sure that you chit chat down below. I will catch you guys in my next video. I love you guys for watching.